Once upon a time, in a cozy village, lived a kind old woman who loved to bake. One chilly morning, she decided to make something special. She kneaded the dough, rolled it out, and shaped it into a little man with icing for his eyes and buttons. When she placed the gingerbread man in the oven, she eagerly waited for him to bake. But as soon as the timer rang, something magical happened. The oven door swung open, and out jumped the gingerbread man, live and full of energy. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man, he shouted, dashing out of the kitchen and into the world. The old woman was shocked. Come back, she cried, but the gingerbread was so fast. He ran through the village, laughing as he went. On his way, he met a hungry cow. Stop, gingerbread man, I want to eat you, mooed the cow. Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man, he replied and sped away. Next, he encountered a sly fox resting by the riverbank. Oh, gingerbread man, you look delicious. Why don't you come closer? Said the fox, licking his lips. Run as fast as you can, but you can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man, he sang, continuing his escape. The gingerbread man ran through the village, fields and forests, over hills and across valleys, always staying one step ahead of his pursuers. But the clever fox had a plan. He noticed the gingerbread man was getting tired. Why don't you hop on my back? I'll help you across the river, suggested the fox, pretending to be friendly. The gingerbread man hesitated but thought it might be a good idea. So he jumped onto the fox's back. As they reached the middle of the river, the fox said, "You're too heavy. Jump on my nose." The gingerbread man, not wanting to sink, quickly hopped onto the fox's nose. But as soon as he did, the fox opened his mouth and snapped. The gingerbread man was gone. The fox licked his lips and said with satisfaction, "What a delicious treat." Then he walked away along the riverbank. Moral of the story: this story teaches us to always be cautious and not trust everyone blindly, especially when someone tries to devise us with clever words. We truly appreciate your time and support in watching our story, The Gingerbread Man's Great Escape. Your encouragement inspires us to create more fun and engaging content for kids. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Little Story Explorers for more exciting tales. Let us know your favorite part of the story in the comments below. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Your love and support means the world to us.